Hi Year 11 and welcome to your lesson on exercise 4.02 on converting rates. So before we jump into the examples, I just wanted to go over how we convert rates from one set of units to another. So the first thing we want to do is write the rate as a fraction, including its units. We then want to convert the units on the numerator of the fraction to the new unit, and then we're going to convert the units of the denominator. So remember, our numerator is our top number, and our denominator is our bottom number. And then, if we can, we're going to simplify it. So let's jump in with example 2. So we want to convert 90 kilometers per hour to meters per second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 90 kilometers, and that's going to be I'm just going to do N for numerator. I'm also going to do D for denominator, which is 1 hour. So what we want to do is we want to get 90 kilometers into meters. So this is going to be 90 multiplied by 1,000, which is going to give us 90,000 meters. I am doing it a little differently to how our steps are up there. 1 hour, we're going to take 1 hour is going to equal 60 minutes, but we want this to be to seconds. So 60 minutes, if we multiply that by 60, we're going to get 3,600 seconds. So we've got 60 minutes and we want to know how many seconds. We know there's 60 seconds in a minute, so that's why we're multiplying them. So then we can say 90 kilometers per hour is going to be written as from 90 kilometers over 1 hour to 90,000 meters over 3,600 seconds, which we can simplify to 25 meters per second. So before I actually put it in the fraction like this up here says, I'm converting each number separately, and that's okay to do. If you want, you can just jump in and you can do it straight here. So you could do 90 kilometers per hour is going to be 90 kilometers multiplied by 1,000 meters over 1 hour, then that will convert me to minutes, and then that will convert me to seconds. So there's my 90,000 over 3,600, which will give me 25 meters per second. And that's meters and that's seconds. So either way is completely fine, whatever works for you. Our second one is we want to convert 2.5 grams per meter square to kilograms per hectare. So you might not know this off the top of your head, so it's nice they've given it to us here. There are 10,000 meters square in 1 hectare. So I know I have got 2.5 grams, and then I also know I have got 1 meter square. So this is my numerator and this is my denominator. So to convert grams to kilograms, we're going to take our 2.5 and we're going to divide it by 1,000, because there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram, and this is going to give us 0.0025 kilograms. Now for our denominator, we know we've got 1 meter square and we want to convert this to hectares. So we're going to take our 1 and we're going to divide it by 10,000. And this is going to give us 0.0001 hectares. So then we can say 2.5 grams per meter square. We can write it as our fraction, 1 meter square. We're then going to take this and change it to our kilograms and hectares. So 0.0025 kilograms over 0.0001 hectares. And then if we simplify that, we're going to get 25 kilograms per hectare. Now, the more you practice these types of questions, the easier they are going to become. They can be a little bit tricky to begin with. Let me know if you need any help.